Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going wonderful. I'm so glad you're stopping by. Now I have a quick video to share with you. This is not a card making video. This is more of a what's new video. Today we're going to share what's new over at the Simon Says Stamp shop. The items that I have here are part of their Sunny Vibes release. This is kind of a sneak peek of what we're going to be creating later on in the month. But I wanted to share them with you. Simon sent these to me and I thought I would share some pretty neat goodies with you guys. Starting off with the microfiber cleaning cloth. This is new to the shop. This is just a regular microfiber cleaning cloth. I have lots that I use in my craft room. And what I love about this, okay, I would say these are, let me show you. These are pretty big. And they're well loved, you can see. This is actually a washed one. Okay, I ran this, actually bleach it through my washing machine with my whites. But this one here, from Simon, I don't know the price point on it, but I love the size. You can see the size difference. And I just love that it's black. Yes, because even though these are washed, they look not so pretty on camera. This is one that's washed also. You can see they don't look very pretty, but if I were to use these inks on the black, it wouldn't show up. Look at the logo too. I thought that was really cute. The lighter the fiber cloths, I think I probably got some of these at the hardware or Home Depot or Lowe's. You can see how they're clean, but they look icky. So I was excited about this. I might I'm going to go on Simon and order some more of these because I think that the black is just fabulous. So I'll be using this in my videos. If you want to check it out, I'll list it down below in the description area. You can head on over to Simon and check it out. But it's their new microfiber cleaning cloth. Okay, that's new. There's some new. We also have some bright and cheery confetti. This is the Simon Says Stamp Summer Blooms embellishment mix. Different shapes and sizes in here. That's new to the shop. The cardstock that I usually use mostly in my videos is Spellbinders Color Essentials. But Simon's cardstock is so nice. Whenever I get their card kits, I always look forward to their cardstock because it's a nice quality, heavy duty. This is 100-pound weight. Simon has these packages with 10 pre-scored, let me show you. They're pre-scored card bases, and they're made with their colored cardstock. This happens to be sea glass, and they're pre-scored A2 cards. So these are nice and handy too. That's new in the shop. I mentioned how great these are because I pre-score my white card bases, and let me show you. And I actually did pretty good folding these. But sometimes, whenever I score and fold my card bases, I can never line them up perfectly or evenly. It's nice that Simon does that for you. So, this is the sea glass scored side folding card bases. 10 in a pack. That's new to the shop. Now, I will be creating a card with this. This is the Around the World stamp set. It's a 6x8 stamp set. I love this because there's so many elements and you're not just stuck with one theme. There's images in here that you can create a small theme. I think these would be great on the stamps or postage edge backgrounds. You have this big world here, or Earth. A lot of block lettered sentiments. You even have a postage stripe down here on the bottom. But I love this. This is the Simon Says Stamp Around the World stamp set. Okay, now, I'm not sure if this is meant to go with this. I'm pretty sure Simon will have a coordinating die that goes with this, or even a bundle, or with a stamp and die. But Simon is also selling this in their die section. This is the Earth die. But when I looked at this, what this does, it's one piece, but it will die cut out sections. Like this will be one piece, one piece, one piece, one piece, and so forth. And when I lined it up to the globe on here, it matched perfectly. Let me show you. If I flip it around, you can actually see this better. You see how the image lines up perfect? So you could actually use this with your stamp set, which is really nice. This is the Earth Wafer die. There's also another die, and it is exquisite. In fact, it's called the Exquisite Hummingbird. This is the size of the hummingbird, so it's great for for A2 card making or 5x7. This is what the die looks like. There's actually one die, but it cuts out 6 pieces. And I love that because you don't lose any of the pieces, which is so nice. Easy to lose on our craft desk. That's new to the shop. We have some new foil transfer sheets. This sheet here is called Seashells. And there's 4 sheets in one pack. I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to use it today. But there are 2 sheets of each. And they're filled with seashells, but they're 2 different styles. So if you like to foil transfer, these are the sheets for you. Now I love backgrounds and stencils, and I think the 2 that I have to share with you today are really fabulous, and I'll be using them often. This one here is a beautiful stencil. It is called the Crochet Blocks. I'm actually going to take my fiber cloth. Let's open it up so you can see the stencil. How pretty is that? Gorgeous. I just love this. So this is brand new. And then we also have a brand new 6x6 clear stamp set. It's a background stamp. It's called Tin Roof. If you were to do some bright pinks and purples and blues, okay, add them to a black stamped background with this. Oh, it's so pretty. So that's new to the shop again. This is called the Tin Roof 6x6 clear stamp set. Okay, we have a rainbow stamp, and it's just not a typical rainbow. It has some butterflies down here, and then beautiful scripty sentiments. This is actually the bundle, so I have the die set that will cut out all of the rainbow, all of the greetings, and the butterflies here. Okay, this is called the Rainbows and Butterflies. It's 4x6 stamp set, but I'm going to zoom in because if you look at the rainbow, they're butterflies. How cute is that? So pretty. I just love that. So that's new to the shop. Also new to the shop is a new embossing folder. This is an embossing. Let my camera readjust here. But it's not just an embossing folder. It's an embossing folder and cutting die. And it creates this beautiful floral. In fact, this is called Brilliant Hibiscus. Love hibiscuses. I just think they're so pretty. There's 2 dies that will cut out. So you can emboss, layer, and well, you would technically emboss, cut, and layer. But 2 dies that will cut out these beautiful large images. Let me show you. I have it opened here. Those are the dies. So they're very large. So I just love the beautiful print on this. Let me see if I could. You can see it better here. Isn't that gorgeous? So these are just a few items from the Sunny Vibes release. And I do have a project to share with you. I had just piddled around. Today I used the embossing folder and cutting die of the Brilliant Hibiscus. This is my project that I created. Later on in the month I'll be actually creating a fast and easy card using the same embossing folder. But for today I just used my Copic markers and colored in the flowers. I used my inks, a yellow, a brown, and a green to ink blend the background, inking the edges with brown ink, and rounding the corners of this card. I'm talking fast because the lawnmower is going to come by, and I don't. And I have lawnmowers out today, but that's the card. I created my greeting using one of my reverse sentiment strips from Simon, and then I also embellished my card with some liquid pearls. This one is gold, but I added some gold pearls here, and then some in the flower centers for a little added dimension. But inking the edges and the background with white cardstock is super easy, and then coloring in my flowers was super easy too. These are the markers that I used. But I hope you get a chance to check out the brand new Sunny Days release over at Simon. Some fabulous new items. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a fabulous day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.